What is going on, guys? It's your boy Reigns here. Today, we're going to be doing this game change 11. I love the support that we're almost there to get only 2.54 million. So let's hit it. If y'all like this video, drop a like. And if y'all are new, subscribe. My name is Christopher, aka Ramen Reigns 123. If y'all are new, it's going to be so. Ladies and gentlemen. Came out with this Pro Bowl event, and yeah, so since they came with that out, we have to drop the heat. Gotta drop that heat. Let's see, I got the 99 Stephon Diggs, still trying to grind, get him to a 100. Then I'll have gameplay with the 100. Let's see if we can here. I know it's gonna take us a long time. We'll get there, don't worry. So today, actually about, I think Tuesday, they dropped this new Pro Bowl event, and they dropped the sets. And if y'all were lucky enough, y'all go on the events. Y'all do this. At the fourth one, I got an elite. I don't know how, but I traded in him for 90 overall. Then I sold him. I put him in the set actually. So we're gonna do these two live events. I'm gonna show y'all the set, and then I'm gonna ask y'all, should I keep him or not? Put it in the comments. So let's start this video. I want this video to get to 14 likes. 14, baby. So you have to score as many points as you can. Oh yeah. And I am not going to put a new intro in today. Y'all already saw it, so a new one's gonna be coming out later on. Just not now. So like, this is all the people that they have on defense, not seeing their offense. Their defense looks pretty trash. I know I could score more than 8 points, but I already scored 8. Their defense looks trash. Get off of me. What? Hold on. Oh, that's speed. Take it all the way. That's Mike Vick right there. Number 7. Touchdown. Now, I already scored 8. That was off camera. But I did score 8. So, now I've scored 14. I'm trying to. It says we have to score as much points as we can. So, yeah. I'm sorry if you hear lots of stuff in the background. Okay, here we got 55 seconds to score as much points as we can. And they have a Bo Jackson. They scored 37 because they had a Bo Jackson, and I did not catch him. Oh, and oh, he touched it. Let's get it. I beat the Bo Jackson. I had the free touchdown. We could. What if we came back and won? That would have been crazy. But we can't do that because like it's 47 seconds left. We got as much points as we can. Alright, I'll get my phone on the charger in a sec. 4 minutes already? Wow. Just gotta take a long time editing. And he gets it in. So now I'm gonna Mythbusters, that will be coming out next Monday because my Mythbusters will always be next Mondays, and I will start a new series called The Royalty, with the Royalty LeBron. As you see, like I said, with that Royalty LeBron, so that will be coming out every Wednesday. The set will be coming, the live event will be coming out Wednesday. So I'm gonna grind until I lose stamina, then I'll be done with that video. But today we are going to be doing live event gameplay. Oh, let me get this thing on the charger. It's 9%. Let me get this thing on the charger. Because the video is supposed to be a little bit longer. Oh, what is, okay. Okay, there we go. I'm at 6. Oh, I pressed B. Oh, I think my phone's about to die. Alright, guys, I'm gonna finish it. I'm gonna finish it now. Because the recording will stop. I'm gonna finish the video now. Come on, do it. Touchdown, come on, make a touchdown speed. Alright, guys, I'm gonna start the video here. Peace, guys.